I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to change your Google Pixel clock style. Step 1. Navigate to where the clock is located on your Android home screen and then hold your finger against it until you see the option to move it. Step 2. Drag the clock icon over Widget Settings and then release it. The next screen will show you options for changing your Google Pixel clock style. You'll see a Scallop style, a Numeral style, a Day style, and a Clover style. Step 3. Tap to select what you want to be your new Google Pixel clock style. This screen will close and you'll see your clock style updated immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.